Alright, guys, sorry for the noise and the mess. Um, so, I got something on the mail a few days ago. I have not opened it. I know what it is, and I can't believe I haven't opened it. Uh, but we're gonna go ahead and open it. Take a look at it because I am really excited. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this. What box is here? Uh, it's super cool. So I'm gonna show you one of them because they're all the same, pretty much. And I'm gonna install this, which I just got today in the mail, which are specialized TPMS sensors. So I'm gonna install four of them. All this stuff, by the way, start with this box and get going with that. So I'm gonna pause real quick, clean all this up, and start with this box. Alright, so I cleaned all of this up. I'm gonna knife here. I don't want it to damage or anything. Let's go ahead and open this. I might sound a little sick, and that's on Instagram. I'll be honest. Alright, so I got this little piece of cardboard for the edges. I haven't seen this in a long time. Oh, every time I see them, that, people. First time that I'm gonna be on camera. They're 3-piece, I think, or 2-piece. I don't remember. It's a long time I ordered this, but the multi-piece will anyway. I think I ordered 3-piece. Oh, no mistaken. You can kind of see. My heart is racing right now, dude. My heart is racing. Let's get it, dude. Jesus Christ. Look at this beauty. And it has a little plastic on top to protect them, and still I gotta break this plastic because I gotta install that TPMS sensors. I'm not gonna fully break it because I still want to protect the wheel. God, man. This is beautiful. Look at the polish on the wheels. Some mirror right there. Oh my god, dude. I freaking love this set. I went with the race gold and the polished lip, polished hardware. It's just damn, man. It just looks so good. 4-star performance. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, put them on the ground, and show you how to install the TPMS. I don't think it'll be too hard, but let's. Jesus Christ, guys! You don't know how happy I am. And this is the front wheel, because the lip it's not that deep as the back lip. I'll show you the back one when I'm installing the second TPMS. But Jesus, just look at the shine, dude. Just look at the shine. All right, so here is everything. Let's look for the little hole for the TPMS, which is right here. So it's right here. And what we do, we're gonna do this little tab here. Let me see if I can focus on it. Focus it. The little valve cap. We're gonna do that. And then you have two things that separate between both of them. The top and bottom. So we're gonna separate the top and bottom. And it should end up like this. This thing pointing towards the inside of the wheel. So I'm gonna pause real quick. I'll show you what it has to look like. So I did it hand tight. So on this side, there's a little itty bitty bit with the nut right there, and the little air fill hole thingy. And this has to look from the bottom. It's not touching the rim. It's kind of like floating in there. Make sure it's kind of floating in there. Now, usually in some they have a screw here. This one doesn't. This one's just pressure, just pure pressure. As you can see, 18 by 9.5. I'm going with this one on the back. So yeah, don't worry about that. And here it's how it has to look. It doesn't have to touch the rim. It's gonna be like floating in there. I don't know if you guys can see right. Let me see if I can fold the screen so you can see better. Yeah, there you go, like that. I don't know if it's blurry or not. Sorry for that, guys. And right here, it's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do. It's use the wrench. I think it's 5 pound-feet of torque that you have to put it into. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, make it real tight, and then do it on for it. I'll show you the difference between the front rims. Front rims. This is the rim. Actually, this part here. Front wheels and the back wheels. As you can see, the box is also thicker. Dude, just look at how wide they are. Look at my hand. This is my hand. Just look at how wide. Let me tell you, this is like 12, I think it is. Yeah. I could have gone 13. I could have gone 14 or 15. But I think that was pushing it way too much. I was gonna go with 12 and a half. But then they said they were having some trouble with production due to COVID and parts. So I decided not to go with 12 and a half, but just 12. And yeah. Look at that. So nice. The little black bead here looks so good too. Like they look so well done, man. Let me just put it onto the side. Hold on. And just admire this. I'm gonna go ahead and put TPMS, which is here, which is good that it's not down here, but here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it here, and I'll show you what it looks like when the TPMS is installed. And I'm gonna post this the same day that the guy comes to install the wheels, the tires on the wheels. So I'll leave you for now. Now, before I cut it, I just want to show you something else. You can see the TPMS in there and stuff. Here it is in here. Yeah, so adjust it well. Okay. I'm gonna change the stem caps, the valve caps. Let me show you what they are gonna look like because they're pretty cool. And I got them for free-ish with the Total VIP package. So let me show you what that looks like.